Alright bros, today I'm answering the question that a lot of iPhone 12 mini users have. Is it worth replacing the battery on your iPhone 12 mini? My iPhone 12 mini's battery is at 87% and honestly the battery life has been pretty bad lately. It drains real fast, especially when I'm using navigation or playing games. I found a local shop that will replace my battery for just 45 euros, but is it worth it? Let's find out. Alright, first let's check out this old battery. So as you can see, it's fully charged and the Coconut Battery app shows that the phone has 387 cycles and the age of the battery is 4 years. I'm going to run a mini drain test with this phone and then I will do the same with the new battery and compare the results. Here's the plan. I will watch some YouTube, scroll some TikTok, browse the web, and I will also play some light games, and I will finish the test with a 4K video export from CapCut. Let's see how this 4-year-old battery holds up. Alright, so I just finished an hour on YouTube and the phone is at 89% battery. Let's see how it holds up after another hour of TikTok. Okay, now an hour of TikTok is in the books and the battery is down to 72%. Now I'm going to browse the web for a while, play Roblox for a bit and then export a 4K clip from CapCut. I'm thinking about getting an iPhone 13 mini from Swappy, not sponsored by the way, but for 379 euros. This is a pretty good deal. Alright now, so I played Roblox for about 10 minutes straight and the battery is at 60% now. Okay, so now it's time for that CapCut export. Let me compile a 10-minute clip and then we will check how the battery is doing. Alright guys, so just after 2 hours and 30 minutes, the battery is down to 48%, which is not great. So just remember the number 48% on the old battery, and now it's time to drop off the phone for the battery replacement. Let's go. Alright, it's Saturday and I'm heading to the mall to get the battery replaced. Fingers crossed they have the spare parts on stock for my 12 mini. I also better reset the phone right now. I don't want them to reset my phone, so let's just do that. Now the phone is ready for a battery replacement. Let's go. Alrighty, just arrived at the mall. Let's find the repair shop. Alright, so I just dropped off the 12 mini to get a fresh battery. They told me it should take about 90 minutes. I'll keep you posted. So I got the phone back. It actually took only 60 minutes. So let's head home and test the new battery. Alright, it's the next day. Time to test the new battery. And check it out guys, this is the receipt. I only paid 45 euros for real. The only downside is that it's an aftermarket battery, so my phone labels it as an unknown part. I was willing to accept this because at the official Apple Store the replacement would cost me more than a double. But honestly, I couldn't care less because I can always monitor the health through the free Coconut Battery app. Let's check it out. As you can see, I got 100% health with 0 cycles. Now let's jump right in and run the same test as we did with the old battery. Okay, I'm disconnecting the charger now And starting the clock, I'll start with 1 hour of YouTube followed by 1 hour of TikTok, and then we will wrap up with 30 minutes split between web browsing, light gaming and CapCut. Alright guys, 1 hour of YouTube is done and the battery is at 100%. Remember, it was 89% with the old battery, so we are off to a good start here. Now let's continue with a 60 minutes TikTok session. Okay, after 60 minutes of TikTok, the phone has 92% battery left. This is a huge improvement compared to the 72% with the old battery. Now let's wrap this one with the remaining 30 minutes and then we will compare the results. So yesterday I mentioned I'm gonna buy an iPhone 13 mini. Nope, that's not gonna happen. I'm buying an iPhone 13 Pro. Why? You'll find out in the next video. Okay, I'm done with Roblox now. Let's export the same footage from CapCut. Okay, check this out. After the same 2 hours and 30 minutes, the battery is at 79% compared to the 48% before. That's a huge improvement, so I would say yes, the 45 euro investment for the new battery was definitely worth it. Plus, the phone doesn't get as hot as it used to, so another W. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The wallpaper link is in the description below. As always, have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.